today I'm here, your Chota scientist Surya Pratap. Today I'm gonna explain you types of forces. Today I'm starting a new chapter, force. Okay, so today types of forces. There are three types of forces. There are many types of forces, but they are mainly counted three types of forces. First is gravitational force. Gravitational force. Gravitational force. What happens in gravitational force? Everyone knows what is gravity? Okay, so it is related to gravity. Okay, what happens in it? Which gravity which pulls us on the Earth's surface, then that gravity has to apply force. When it applies force to pull something onto its crust, then that force which it applies is called gravitational force. Gravitational force. Okay, so gravitational force means, like imagine, if this is a marker, I will leave it, so it will not go up, it is going down. See, it is going down. Yeah, it is going down because the gravity is pulling it. The gravity is holding it and pulling it downwards. Okay, and like at the moon, in the space, you will see that there is no gravity. So without gravity, if you will leave this marker in air, it will start floating above the air. It will not go down. And even when you will try to drink water, the water will not go in your mouth. It will start flying in the space. Okay. So now, see, the second type of force is called elastic force. Elastic force. Like the girls have some types of rubber bands. Okay, in those rubber bands, what happens? As you know, they can stretch. Okay, like rubber, they can stretch. They have elasticity. Okay, elasticity. Like imagine, this is a marker. This can't stretch anymore because it is what? It is a solid, but it has no elasticity. As rubber is also a solid, but it has elasticity, so it can pull. Like the force which it is applying to get pulled. Okay, not to pull. It is using to get pulled. Okay, the force which is using to get pulled, that force is called elastic or elasticity force. Okay, elastic force. The third and the last type of force is what? Okay, the third and last type of force is called the magnetic force. Okay, the magnetic force, or you can say magnet force also. But if you will write magnetic, it is more suitable. Okay, magnetic force. Everyone knows magnets are machines which pulls anything towards them, which is of iron. If I will take a magnet and I will put it on if I will put it like here, so this board will come out like this by itself. It will not touch because the magnet is applying much force. Okay, it is trying to pull like the Elon Musk's brain chip. We can't touch anything, and if we want, we can connect to the laptops, computers. Like that, the magnet can connect to the iron things, and the iron things, like if I will keep the magnet here, this board will come out and it will attach to the magnet like this. Okay, so that magnet which the force which the magnet uses to pull objects, that force is called magnetic force. Okay, so I will tell you work, energy and more types of things in my next episodes. Now, this was all for my video. So thank you for watching my video. Please like, subscribe and share my videos so you can get the latest updates of my videos.